The fight against the COVID-19 pandemic continues to encourage innovation, the latest being a man in Bungoma County who has invented a unique hand-washing machine. NTV's Judith Cherono with that inspiring story.
This latest innovation is by a Kenya Defence Forces officer named Emmanuel Manali Kakai, who came up with the hand-washing machine dubbed Nuria that has a sensor that enables it to detect someone's hand and release water without being touched. Franklin Kakai, the innovator's advocate, as well as the spokesperson, told NTV in an interview that the machine is also able to take someone's temperatures and send a signal to health officials in case someone exhibits COVID-19 symptoms.
We have three models. One model in take temperature na iko na interface ya kuonyesha temperature inakwambia wash hands. Another model haina temperature lakini iko na interface ya kuonyesha kwamba wash mikono, and there's a third model yenye haina interface yoyote, you just come and wash your hands and go. So they range from 5,000 to 20,000 production.
Kakai stated that if the government invests in such innovations, then they can easily start exporting such machines to other countries.
Hiki kifaa kinaweza rudisha chini sana namba ya corona kwa sababu tukinawa kila mara alafu maji yenyewe tayari yako na ile detergent ile ya kuua virusi. Si ati utafinya hiyo detergent tena unawe tena ndio ufunge, iko tayari ndani ya maji.
Helen Wekesa, a resident of Bungoma, hailed the innovation and appealed to the government to support such innovations. According to residents, the machine should be installed in public places such as schools and help in stemming the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. Judith Cherono, NTV.
Necessity, they say, is the mother of invention or innovation in this case.